To connect the Kia app to your car, follow these steps. Step 1. Download the Kia Connect app from the Apple or Android store. Step 2. Open the app and sign up for a new account if you don't already have one. If you have an existing account, simply log in. Step 3. Get your vehicle prepared. Make sure your vehicle is compatible with the Kia app. Most newer models will have this feature, but you can check your owner's manual or Kia's website for compatibility. Step 4. Start your car. Turn on your vehicle and ensure that it's in a location with a good cellular signal. Step 5. Connect via Bluetooth. Make sure that your phone has Bluetooth turned on. Go to the settings on your car's infotainment system and look for phone or Bluetooth settings. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. In the app, go to the vehicle connection settings and follow the prompts to pair your phone with your car. Step 6. Enter vehicle information. If prompted, enter your vehicle's VIN and any other required details. Step 7. Complete the connection. Follow any additional instructions in the app to complete the setup. Step 8. Once connected, explore the app's features, such as remote start, vehicle status, and location services. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section of the app or consult your vehicle's manual for specific instructions.